Snyder and Associates, a multidisciplinary engineering, planning, and design firm focused on thinking beyond engineering to improve the quality of life within the communities we serve.
Lincoln Highway Days is the perfect occasion to spotlight the Eureka Bridge Rehabilitation project we did for Greene County. This project focused on both the restoration of a historic 5-span concrete arch bridge and the adjacent roadways leading to it. Shuck-Britson handled the bridge restoration, while Snyder and Associates worked on the roadway improvements. Located west of Jefferson in Greene County, the Eureka Bridge spans the Raccoon River, providing a critical route for traffic to ascend the steep inclines on the north side of the valley. The Eureka Bridge is located in a historic district associated with the Lincoln Highway, a landmark route that stretched from New York to California. Finished in 1916, the Lincoln Highway was the first automobile highway to cross the United States. Known as the Main Street across America, it was also the first national memorial to President Abraham Lincoln. Given its historic significance, there was a strong desire to preserve the bridge. The Lincoln Highway Association is dedicated to maintaining the historic value of the route. To move forward, we engaged a range of specialists, including archaeologists and environmentalists, to thoroughly assess the site. Our comprehensive findings were then submitted to the Department of Transportation and forwarded to the State Historic Preservation Office, or SHPO, of Iowa. SHPO required the detailed documentation of the bridge's current condition, its historical context, and its significance before any part of the bridge could be demolished. We needed to make it a safer bridge because it had some accidents, and in fact it had actually had a couple of deaths occur on the bridge. Because of the angle that the road came into the bridge, you really turned onto the bridge almost at the last moment. People ended up going straight, especially at nighttime, and then they'd end up in the river, or they wouldn't hit it just right, and they end up being off of the rails. And so the question was, what could we do to improve that situation without destroying the historic significance of the historic district? We did realign the roadway a little bit on the south side, but then we widened the bridge to the west, which then kind of opened up the mouth of the bridge to accept traffic a lot easier. You weren't turning at the last second. When we widened the bridge, we automatically tore out one of the rails. Part of the existing bridge was going to be demolished. We couldn't just take the rail and move it to the new west end of the bridge because the demo of it wasn't going to allow that. But even if we could, it wasn't designed for today's traffic. Where we ended up was we salvaged the east rail, left that in place, but then we put in front of it what we were calling was a transparent rail, which was kind of a low steel rail that you could see through it and see the old rail, but the transparent rail was the one that was actually functioning as the rail. You couldn't build a concrete rail in front of it because you wouldn't see what's behind it. Those were kind of the two main elements that we did to improve the safety quite a bit. I think the uniqueness of the whole project is a concrete arch bridge is a very durable, long-term structure. The way an arch is designed, everything's kind of in compression, and that's the one thing concrete is really good at. We really did accommodate all the groups. The county wanted a bridge that was safe and would last for a long time, and the historic people wanted to maintain what was there, and I think we came up with a solution that was really beneficial to both groups. I think everybody was very happy with it.
We hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button to stay updated on future content. As always, thank you for watching the Snyder and Associates YouTube channel.